All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 19,000 miles on this bad boy. White with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got your backup camera. Super nice, and best of all, no damage on the body. Your front bumper looks okay. It does have a cracking here, about 5 inches. Got some scuffing here. This is all one big scuff here. All right, and then the scuff got some stuff there. All right, your hood looks pretty good. Your fender does have a dent here to here, about 6 inches. All right, here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread. This just at the line of 730 seconds. Let me double check that. That's correct. Just on 730 seconds. What's this? Got some scratches here and here. Some more here. A couple of dings. This looks okay. We got a ding here, ding there. That is about it. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread. It's over 730 seconds. We jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Got power windows, power door lights, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. Switch your instrument cluster. Looks like you see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 19,327. You do have a backup camera. Cool. That's about it. Keep it moving. Rear bumper looks okay. It does have a cracking here as well as the front. These doors look pretty decent. This one has a dent there. Of course, this is what your cargo area looks like. Look how nice and clean this one is. Cleans. Well molding is what they look like. Here's of course what this door looks like. Very nice. Let's check this one out. And this one looks pretty nice too. Check out the roof. Let's see what we got going on. Your roof is good. I don't see any damages up here in the roof. That's just some dirt. That's it. This quarter here does have a dent from here to here, obviously 10 or more inches. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Tire thread, over 730 seconds. This sliding door looks good. It's got a couple of dings, but no big deal. What your side cargo area looks like. Boom. Very nice. This door looks good. Your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Does have a dent here about 2 inches and one more there. Here's your your front passenger steel wheel. Any tire there is under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is running. Things are beautiful. Folks, once again, a 2018 Ford Transit T250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 19,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.